Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is pretty crappy outside. It's raining, it's cold, so I can't drive it yet. So today we're going to pull off the rear tires because they are rubbing, and I want to find out what's going on. But for the most part, things are taking shape. Engine's complete, running, no oil leaks. Trans is in as well. I've shifted through the gears. No leaks there. Like I said, we haven't been for a ride yet because of the weather. I am doing some wiring, which you'll see later right now. But today, I got the car up, the rear end suspended. Well, right now on the jack. We're going to pull these wheels off because I believe one of them is rubbing. And we're going to find out what's going on. So, yep, it is rubbing a little bit. I don't know if you can see that little strip about this wide, inch and a half, goes around whole tire. It is rubbing a little bit, not really bad, but I do feel that. I don't know if it's more on the other side than this side, but and up in here, a little bit on there. Um, what do they say? Rubbing is racing, but not in this type of racing unless you're doing no prep.
Oh, you're wandering all over the track.
Yeah, well, the son of a bitch just slammed into me.
No, he didn't slam into you, he didn't bump you, he didn't nudge you. He rubbed you. And Rubbin's son is racing.
All right, passenger side. A little bit, not nearly as bad. Maybe a half inch little strip here. Not too bad up there. I thought this side would be worse. So overall, not terrible. As you can see, I have a large spacer. So I can run these Steelies. And these little hubcaps. I love the look of that. It's only for driving around. I probably wouldn't race like that at all. I do have a set of welds that are the right size, backspacing that fit right up. So don't freak out. You know, that's what I had to do, make it work. So I don't think I'm going to do a whole lot. The other side, if I have the space on the inside of the wheel, I could take this and mill it down a bit to bring the wheel uh, inward into the car. So, but let me put the slicks on and see how that works, how they fit. I have not put those on with this new rear end, this new strange rear end. And again, this is a spool. So when I do turn, we might, you know, we may never fix that. So it might be always there. Just got to live with it. All right, there you have it. The welds are on. These are my slicks. These are worn out. Will be replaced. But I'm glad I fit these on because I just noticed that these studs are not long enough. They need to come past the lug nuts. So they're about a ½ inch short. So I'll have to order up some new studs. But it's in there. Let's take a peek underneath. So here our backside. We have about 3/4 of an inch there. Got plenty of space. Backside, plenty up there. Outer, we're good. A lot more space than the steel rims do, so we're good. No worry about that. Just need to get some studs, and my plan is to get these rims powder coated black. And there's a guy out there, I believe his name is Steve Reynolds. He makes an adapter that fits on there, and you could get yourself a hubcap that obviously bigger that covers these holes and will look like a stock rim with a hubcap. Just my style. I like it. I can even paint these things, not powder coat them, so it won't cost too much. So that is last on the bottom of my list of things to do. So we'll see if I get to that. Just real quick here, since I'm right out of the car, I am ordering up a anti-roll bar for the rear, and I'm just kind of looking to see where to put it. I know I have my shocks in the back here. I believe there might be some room in front, right where that bar is. It'll be right next to it in front of the rear end. Might have to move this fuel filter. But I am going to be ordering that in a day or so. Once I get it's nice out. I could drive my car out. My buddy's got a lift, so we'll probably install it there. So, but anyways, this is the back. I got strange double adjustable shocks, Caltrax springs, Caltrax. I got my Aeromotive pump. It's a 5.0 brushless. I got a filter here, filter after. Trans cooler, which is mounted right on the bottom of my gas tank. And that's it for here. I think I'm pretty going to leave everything how it is, even though they rub. The street tires rub a little bit. Once I get another new set of drag radials, we'll look at it again. Maybe those 1.25" spacers, I can actually mill them down a little bit, give us a little bit more room on the outside of the wheel. Oh yeah, one more thing. Eventually get some sliders for these for the back of the leaf spring. Which is I got too many things right now. Well, one thing at a time. All right, guys, all done. Gonna wrap it up there. Just wanted to make sure those wheels were gonna fit. Luckily, I did because those wheel size are short. Need to order those up. But pretty soon, the weather's breaking here, so we'll be cruising around shortly. So like and subscribe, guys. Thank you.